Question number 15 of exercise 2.5 is give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which their areas are given. In first question, area is given here 25a square minus 35a plus 12, and you have to find the length and breadth. As you can see here, student, here the degree of the variable a is 2. It means it is a quadratic polynomial. And now you have to convert this quadratic polynomial into factors. So for factorizing for a quadratic polynomial, which method we will use? We will use here middle term split method. As you know, for solving this quadratic polynomial by middle term split method, first we will multiply this coefficient of a square and constant term 25 into 12. What we will get? We will get 300. Now we have to think about that two numbers whose product is 300, and when we will add that or subtract that two numbers, we will get minus 35. Think about that two numbers. That two numbers will be minus 20 minus 15, you will get minus 35, and when you multiply this minus 20 and minus 15, you will get 300. These are two numbers. So let's start splitting the middle term. First term and last term we will write as it is, because we are splitting here middle term. Middle term will break minus 20a minus 15a. We will get 4 terms, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next step, then we will make group of 2 terms. In first group, what we will take common? Yes, 5a. What will remain in bracket? 5a minus 4. Sign minus, since in this first bracket 5a minus 4 is there, so in second bracket will also what will come? 5a minus 4. In this 15a we already written 5a. What will remain outside the bracket? 3. 5 3s are 15a minus minus plus 5 3s are 3 4s are 12. Yes, you can see here, student, from this first group 5a minus 4, 5a minus 4, common term. In second group 5a minus 3, these are the two factors. So student, since this is the area of a rectangle and we break it into two forms, it means from these two, one will be length and another will be breadth. As you can see here, 5a minus 4, 5a minus 3, the length will be 5a minus 3 and breadth will be 5a minus 4. Why? Because here 5a minus 3 is greater than 5a minus 4, and in any rectangle length is greater than its breadth. Similarly, you have to simplify the second question also, 35y square plus 30y minus 12. Again we will apply the same process. Here the coefficient of y square is 35 and constant term is minus 12. When you multiply this, you will get minus of 420. Now you have to think about that two numbers. When you multiply that, you will get minus 420, and when you will add or subtract, you get 13. What will be that number, student? Think about that two numbers, product 420 and addition will be, yes, that two numbers are 28 plus of minus 15, you will get 13, because we want here plus, that because we will take here bigger number positive, and when you multiply this 28 by minus 15, you will get minus 420. So let's break 35y square, first term as it is, last term as it is, middle term we will break 28y minus 15y plus minus minus, and when you subtract you will get 13y. For this, now we will break group of two terms from first group. What we can take common? 7y, 5y, 7 4s are 28, minus minus, already we have taken 5 within bracket. What will outside from the bracket? 3. 3 5s are 15, 4 3s are 12. You can cross check your breaking is correct or not by multiplying or opening the bracket. Here you can see the common factor is 5y plus 4, within second bracket 7y minus 3. These are the factors of this quadratic polynomial. From this we can easily see here length will be 5y plus 4 and breadth will be 7y minus 3.